Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about dictionary and its operations. Today we will see functions in Python. So let's get started. Function is a block of code which runs when it is called. Let's see how to create and call a function. A function is defined using def keyword and function is called by its name. For example, here we have defined a function named func and calling it by its name in line number 4. You can pass information to the function as arguments and it is given after function name. For example, here in function myfunc we are creating a variable called name which takes value. We call a function myfunc and passing value John to it, and in the output we are getting hello John. You can also pass more than one argument to a function. For example, here in function add, we have created two arguments, a and b, and while calling the function, we are passing two numbers 5 and 7, and function add these two numbers and print its result. Now let's see arbitrary number of arguments. If you don't know how many arguments to be passed, then use asterisk before the parameter name. For example, we have created a function add where we are passing multiple arguments and adding only third argument to the sum variable and printing its result. Now we will see keyword arguments. We can also pass argument as key value pair. For example, here in add we are passing four numbers as key value arguments and adding num3 value to sum and printing the result. You do not know how many keyword argument to be passed, then use two asterisk before the parameter. For example, here we are passing keyword argument number since we don't know how many numbers we have to pass and we are adding num2 value to the sum and printing the value of sum. Now let's see return argument. Function also returns the value. For example, here in function add, we are passing two arguments a and b and return the sum. Now let's see recursion. Recursion means a function call itself to solve a problem. Let's see a program of factorial number where we are calculating factorial of 5. It will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and when the value of n becomes 1, it will return 1, else returns n into n minus 1 and the output will be 120. Hope you understood functions in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.